everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a fun little ride in our 1975 Fiat Spider convertible. Very fun little car here at Skyway Classics, featuring a white exterior with black rims, has a black manual top. In fact, one of the things I noticed when I lowered the top was the windows were actually attached to the actual top. Who knew? Going into the inside, you can see it is a 5-speed manual. The wood grain on it is especially pristine. One of the aftermarket touches I do notice on the vehicle was the aftermarket stereo system. But of course, you always need to jam in a nice car like this. In fact, even the horn's very unique. Other than that, not the fastest car in the world, but definitely one of the nicest. Definitely puts a lot of new cars to shame, especially Teslas, because, you know, every old car is better than a Tesla. But other than that, it's been well documented with this car when you purchase it, or if you purchase it. Comes with a lot of maintenance, well documented papers, and yeah, so you're not just getting a nice running car, but you're getting a lot of facts on the vehicle. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.